Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be taking a look at the Duck Vac product. So this is going to be a review and we are going to find out whether this particular product worth it or it is a waste of money. So as you can see that currently I'm on Amazon.com and this is the product that we are talking about. Over here you will notice that the product received around 4.2 stars rating and 74 people rated, and you will also notice that around 58% gave it 5-star rating and 20% gave it 4-star rating. If you want to read the reviews by the people, you can click on the review section, and from here you can read what people are saying about this product. But since you can notice from here that most of the reviews are positive, so you can definitely go ahead for this product. If you want to get more onto it, then you can even go to Reddit. As you can see that currently I'm on Reddit, and if you scroll down and read the responses that people have given on this post, you can see that I have one and it is surprisingly good. So for this person, this product is working. Unrelated, but would you rather fight a horse-sized duck or 100 duck-sized horses? So basically this person is asking about different product. It is not what we are looking for. So you can even go to Reddit and you can search what people are saying about the product. But all in all, from the rating on Amazon, we can say that this product is worth trying, and it will cost you around $49.99. So if you want to purchase the product, I have given the best buy link of it down in the description, so you can use the description link. This won't cost you much, but it will help the channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.